The role of a physician assistant is demanding. It requires deep clinical knowledge and the ability to connect with patients and families. At Endicott College, we train graduates for both. Our students manage complex cases like cardiac arrests and trauma in a fully simulated hospital. So when they step into the clinical setting, they are confident and prepared. We're redefining PA education by incorporating lifestyle medicine throughout the curriculum, so our graduates are prepared to treat the whole patient. Nutrition, movement, restorative sleep. This is how you change outcomes, not just manage symptoms. PA school is rigorous, so where you go matters. At Endicott, you train in a simulation center on campus, decompress by the ocean, and gain access to world-class clinical sites in the Boston area. It's the balance and the access that makes the difference. Join us at Endicott College and learn to practice medicine focused not just on illness care, but true health care. Apply now.